In this video, we'll talk about how to use history in your Sprout. Now right up here you can see this panel, the history panel. And in most of the videos, to save space, I tend to minimize it and drag it down here into the corner. But today, the history panel is going to be sort of the star of our show, so I'll put it right here in the middle for you. History basically chronicles every move you make or every item you add to your Sprout. Here you can see when I move the circle, move oval shows up, and move polygon shows up when I move the rest of the sunburst. Once again, when I move the circle, move oval shows up again. If I highlight multiple shapes and move them around, it labels them as objects. Over here in the Tools panel, we have Undo and Redo right next to it there, neighbors. And Control-Z, as always, is the shortcut key for undo. Any changes that I make are kept in the History panel. I can use either Undo or scroll through the list to select which changes I'd like. For example, if I accidentally add an extra shape and delete it from the panel, you can see here, Delete Oval is on the History panel. So once again, if I want to undo that deletion, I have that option. It also keeps track of things like changing the appearance, such as getting rid of the border, see here under Border Type, Fill Color, as well as the movements. And here's the Undo button in action. The History panel keeps track of your last 20 changes. And that's how you use the History panel in your Sprout.